You turned on the recording. Okay, let's begin. Vishal sir, please, we will start with your introduction. Please introduce yourself. Praveen sir, please introduce yourself.
आवाज कसला येतोय रे? बॅकग्राऊंड. Good morning, sir. Good evening, sir. Thank you for giving me this opportunity. Uh, my name is Praveen. I'm in last year of engineering. ते बंद कर ना तू. How
Restart.
unprofessional it
Restart.
is. Good evening, sir. My name is Praveen. I am an final year engineering student, fresher in software development. I define myself someone is hardworking and who writes clean code. I understand the working of back and front end both, and I focus on uh, दुसऱ्या स्लाइड मध्ये गेलो तुम्ही.
Okay,
let's
you can
start from
continue.
let's start again.
Praveen sir, please introduce yourself.
Yes. Thank you, sir, giving me this opportunity. My name is Praveen. I am in last year of engineering. In some months, I will be completing my engineering. Uh, um, I define myself an enthusiastic person to learn anything new, whichever comes in market. So I find it interesting, and I try to learn it. Um, and in my academics, I made two projects so far. One is job portal application, and second one is employee management system, in which I gain skills like Spring Boot and uh, React, and some database queries as well. And I belongs to nuclear family, and I'm from Steel City of Maharashtra, and I love to uh, listen song, and I like to swim. Thank you, sir. That was very worst,
No, no, it was good
very
one.
worst.
I like your initial statements.
Tell me about.
Thank you, sir. I am an aspiring software developer, currently pursuing full stack knowledge in Girish Tech Hub regarding Java development. I recently got graduated from KIT's College of Engineering in the stream of computer science and engineering. I belong to the historical heritage place of Maharashtra, ruled by Chhatrapati Shahu Maharaj. I belong to a nuclear family. During my academics, I got to know about various of the subdomains and relevant courseworks such as operating systems, data structures, database management systems, and also machine learning and computer algorithms. I have implemented about 2 to 3 self projects and 2 to 3 group projects during my academics. I prefer Java as my primary programming language and implemented all the projects using the Java Spring Boot framework. I also handled the database administrator role in many of the projects. And talking about my extracurricular curricular activities apart from my academics, I do participated in frequent coding competitions and hackathons. That helps us. They helps me to upskill myself, and I also participate in many of the college level events that help me to become a so that's all for today. Thank you.
Suresh, you did great. And since you are introducing yourself, from that time I'm registering that you are giving same introduction every time. That is great. You did rote learning. That is great. Awesome. But I'm
I
not.
remember the syntax actually, so
Uh,
I mentioned it flow wise.
I see. I don't remember. Every time I give different introduction. Every time, each time. This is not good thing.
Okay, you should structure it properly and start practicing along.
Yes.
So
So we were.
should we
Yeah.
what?
Go
Please?
ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead.
So what should we do now? We will move with our Java questions or something else.
Vishal sir, what do you think?
Aditya Dhanode sir will join us in short time, but until he joins, we will continue with our. So Vishal sir, I have a question for you. What are the features of Java? What are the features of Java? So we are passing the question to Mr. Praveen sir. You should get the answer, no? Okay, okay. You take your time. Wait, Aditya Dhanode join.
Okay, finally I am feeling safe.
Hello, Aditya sir. Am I audible to you?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay, Aditya sir. We have starting the meeting, but we have to take a pause so that you can introduce yourself.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you. I'm Aditya. I'm Aditya from from capital of turmeric, of Maharashtra, and I completed master, MCA degree in 2025, and I'm looking for a opportunity. I'm looking for a junior software developer opportunity, and uh, uh, basically,
Aditya, can you stop to blow the air into earphone?
what?
Please be seated at one place and
Yeah.
put your camera stable.
And you are blowing air from your nose to the microphone, so it is like coming between
Okay, sorry.
Please keep the mobile device somewhere.
stable.
Okay.
Now fine.
Okay, now you can continue.
Okay, thank you. I am Aditya from capital of turmeric capital of Maharashtra, and I basically I completed my I completed my master's in 2025, and I'm looking for a job opportunity as a junior software developer. And I have I have I have knowledge of programming language, front end, back end, and some deployment tools. And uh, in my in my academics, during my academics, I worked on a project named Gym Management System, where I use technologies like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Bootstrap, and uh, I created a small project using JavaScript named Lead Matrix, where I fetch data from Lead Code API. And after that, I joined a full stack Java course to upskill myself, and I choose the Java as my primary programming language. And apart from this, in my free time, I spend I spend time with my friends and family, and often I watching content on YouTube and engaging with the latest technology and things. Apart from this, in my uh, college and academics, I participate in various extra extracurricular activities uh, in sport, and that activities helped me a lot to interact with peoples, and improve it helped me to uh, grow my communication skills. That's all about me. Thank you.
जेवण केलं का तुम्ही काय चालू केलं हे
Krushnal, don't speak in between.
ओके
Vishal sir, are you ready? Or you need some more time?
He needs space.
What is you need or not need not? It is more time or give me more time.
It happens.
Okay, let us.
ask, ask me one second.
Vishal sir, can you please tell me the features of Java?
Java Java is platform dependent and it's object oriented and Java is easy to learn and Java is dynamic uh, that is
Vishal sir, please browse the question on Google and read it
what
because
Can you
you
please search it on ChatGPT?
okay search on any of the browser and please read and pick it along.
what
What are the features of
Java
Java?
Features of Java. I think there are 7 to 8 features of Java. Secure, scalable, platform independent, robust.
yes the Java simple and object platform and interpreted scalable and portable and secure.
Robust is remaining, I think.
Uh,
Robust is also there.
seven feature of Java
There are 8 features.
There are a feature of Java.
There are 8.
No, only 7.
There are 11.
Praveen, turn off your mic.
Sorry.
Yes, sir, Vishal sir.
Turn on mic. Turn.
Okay, actually there are many of the features, but when interviewer asks us that question, we have to mention about 5 to 6 mandatory features. We can also add another features, but the main 6 or 7 can be mostly added. For example, platform independence, scalability, reliability, portability, and robust language, garbage collector, easy to use, and we can use many of the frameworks in Java. We can develop many of the applications, and we can handle also any technology like front end and back end using Java.
Okay. Praveen, answer this question for your style.
What?
Hello guys, I'm. Can I say? Can I tell you because I opened the English for Greeks and simply I want to read it.
Okay.
First one is a simple syntax. Second one is object oriented. Third one is platform independent. Then interpreted, scalable, portable, secured and robust. Memory management, high performance, multi-threading, rich standard library, functional programming features, integration with other technologies, support for mobile and web applications, documentation and community support. These 15 features are available on Geek for this.
Aditya sir, there is one question from my side.
Okay.
Can you please explain me what is the main function?
Uh,
क्योंकि समझते
Main
हैं कि
function is a
बैकग्राउंड
entry point of
Hello?
the
संग को है लगिस्ते
entry point of our Java program where execution will start uh, when the uh, when the source code compiled when the source code compiled and converted into the bytecode then the compiler the JVM and the compiler looking for the main method in Java to execute the flow to execute the code uh, from main method, and the
Okay,
main method is public static void. Public is for the method should main method should be public. Then main method should be static, and in main method we are using the string args to for the purpose of command line argument. Uh, Etc. I know about the main method. Thank you.
okay. You said about the main method is static.
Yes.
Can the main method be non-static?
Uh, maybe yes. I think
Let me
no.
tell you, the main method never ever be non-static because the main method is the entry point of the flow of our program, and we need not have to create any object of the main method. We can directly access any method so that we can must use the static keyword in declaration of main method. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Praveen sir, can you please tell me what is final variable or keyword in Java?
Final keyword is used to make a variable constant. Once we decide final, so its value can't be changed.
Okay, you're right. Vishal sir, I have one question for you. I too did ask this that question earlier. So what are operators in Java?
Operators.
I have asked that question previously, and I also we all are have answered it.
He's checking your curiosity about Java language.
Don't say no. You can tell. You can tell whichever you know. Praveen sir, please come sit sit in the left or side to her, and you can answer for yourself. Okay, Vishal sir, let me give you a suggestion that whenever an interview asks you tell me about operators in Java, you should not tell directly the types. There are this much types, 8 or 7. At the time of interview, you are literally scattered, and then the interview will trick you that you said that 8, you only remember 6. So tell with the flow, and whenever you take the arithmetic operations, first explain all the arithmetic operations, and then the next type, logical operators, then again explain the logical operators, what are they, the types of logical operators, and again the next operator.
Okay, so tell me properly.
Okay, Aditya sir will tell us the proper answer.
Okay, I can try to answer.
Sure, sure.
First, in Java, the operators are used to basically perform the operations on operands. Uh, so in Java, there are various types of operators are available in Java. As I know, the arithmetic operators, used to to perform arithmetic operations to operands. Basically, addition, subtraction, division, multiplication, modulus, uh, etc. And after then the ternary operator. In ternary operator, ternary operator verify condition then false on result, and if the condition is false, then it uh, after this our assigned operator the assignment to assign the value to specific variable. The
Fam-
assignment operator in Java assigns the value of the side right side value assigned to the left side variable or variable, and then assignment after this the logical in there are uh, in this category there are logical and logical or and logical not. Uh, and after this there is bitwise operator, bitwise and bitwise or, and XOR. Oh, sorry, XOR, and XOR. And then there are comparison operators like less than, greater than, less than equal to, greater than equal to, and these all are operators I know in Java. Thank you.
Aditya sir, you are fluctuating and lagging too much. We can't understand anything.
Okay, sir.
You you can try to improve yourself. Please practice.
Sure. Thank you for the
Okay,
support.
Vishal sir, my next question is for you. Can I ask?
अरे भाई
Vishal
माइक
sir,
तो शुरू कर. Yes, yes.
okay, what are the different types of data types used in Java or any programming language?
So in Java, data type int, float, short, sorry, int, short, float. I got one question for Shreyas. बंद करना. So, Shreyas, can you tell
Huh.
me what is define value of primitive data types and non-primitive data types?
1
Predefine it.
second, please repeat it again.
What is predefined default value of primitive data types and non-primitive data types?
Default value of primitive and non-primitive. I don't got the
Default
question.
value of the uh, default value of the data type, if we declare the variable can't initialize or assign it any value, so what is the default value is
Yes,
having that
yes.
particular
This is
variable.
what the question is. If we define a variable and if we haven't defined how much memory it should allocate, like if we just define it and what would be its default value if we print it.
For example, boolean type of type boolean.
Default value means for integer it will be 0. Double it will be 0,
No, no,
0.0.
no, no, no,
Yes,
not
yes,
like
yes,
that.
like that.
I asked you for primitive and non-primitive. For integer and all, this would be 0.
I don't know.
Sir caught me, you know what, Praveen sir caught me on this question, and he said that for primitive data types, the default value is 0 or false, and for non-primitive data types like arrays and all,
Null.
it is null and
Uh,
false, right?
okay, okay.
Yes.
So, Vishal sir, oh, I asked you now only. So, Praveen sir, what are errors in Java?
Errors. I don't know particular answer for it. Can you tell me? Because no one asked me what is errors.
Error is actually a mistake made, a man-made mistake made by a man while writing any code.
Java commands using
What are you telling?
Hello, Shreya sir. I have one question for you. What is the error and what is the bug in Java, and differentiate both of them?
Okay, errors in Java are the man-made means man-made mistakes while writing the program. There are many kinds of errors such as syntax error and typographic error and looping inside outside error, scope variable error, and talking about bug is actually when we update any code or something, the features automatically get updated, and according to the updation of features, we have to replace the bugs or the not working uh, section of the code. We can fix the bugs. I'm not able to tell what are bugs.
Okay,
So let
okay,
me tell
okay,
you
sir.
what is bug.
So please, anyone can read from the Geeks for Geeks or Google, because
Yes,
we
I'm
remember
telling
this
what is
thing.
bug. Yes, bug is an error or flaw in the program that cause it to produce incorrect or unexpected result to behave incorrectly. In simple, the if you told computer to do something, it didn't exactly did, and this is what called the bug.
and different of syntax
No, these are no types of bugs.
syntax
Syntax error.
and runtime
Runtime error asते रे.
There are two types of errors: compile time error and
error
runtime error.
error bug.
No, no, no.
Those are different, bro. A bug is defect in program that cause incorrect unexpected behavior, and error is something.
I I said some activity state types of syntax and runtime
I don't know.
and human mistake, wrong logic,
Human.
poor understanding, typing without like that.
Okay, Aditya sir, where are you?
Butterfly, butterfly.
Hello,
Serious.
sir. I am here. Just I am prompting to ChatGPT this question, error and bugs, because I think this is important question. So after the prompting, if I after the getting the answer, I will read from
Okay.
ChatGPT.
Where is your
Then
So
I
laptop?
answer.
Shreyas, I got one question for you.
Okay, sure. Go ahead.
Can we run बंद करना रे? Can we run Java program? ते इको आवाज येतो रे पुन्हा पुन्हा. Can we run? Can we print hello world without main method?
Without main method.
Hmm.
I think you are
Can yes, we can print.
last time.
क्या? What?
Yes, we can print.
How?
How I don't know.
Okay. So there we would need to use static block. where we will print hello world and then directly use system.exit and 0. So our program will be terminated before giving the error.
System.exit in bracket
Yes,
0.
0. Yes.
I guess that it is the oldest method that the earlier developer used. Huh?
Yes, yes.
Today, it cannot be possible without main method.
It works in Java 6 and earlier. After that, it must require having a main method. Before Java 6, it was working. We can say in interviews before Java 7, but after Java 8 come in the market, these things are prohibited.
Okay, are you aware about different types of features of Java? Means different type of updates such as Java 1, 5, 8.
Yes,
Okay. What is the major changes which Java
Java 8.
holds the major changes?
Java 8.
Okay, what are those changes in Java 8?
In Java 8, they bring stream and um lambda expressions and I think exception as well. So can you please tell me?
Okay, as per I know, first the lambda expressions, then the stream APIs,
Mm-hmm.
then default and static methods in interfaces, and date and time API.
Okay, so date
Technologies.
and time API also included into Java 8, I see.
Improved date and time.
Uh, भाई त्याची व्हॅलिड प्रश्न विचारायचा आहे.
You come first, then I will tell you. James Gosling is the founder of Java, who invented the Java in the Sun Microsystems in 1991, and the Java came in market in 1995. And later on, we start it Java to implement.
So JDK is okay. The full form JDK Java Virtual Machine. JVM
JDK
is
is our solution.
What? What?
it happens sometimes. Sorry. Okay, okay. Sorry for that. So uh, full form of JDK is Java Virtual Machine, which execute Java bytecode, and it is platform dependent. Its responsibilities are load, clash files, bytecode verification, and memory management. Second one is JRE, Java Runtime Environment. Environment is required to run Java applications. It contains JVM, core libraries, and supporting files. And JDK, its full form is Java Development Kit, which is a complete toolkit for develop Java applications, and it contains JRE and compiler, debugger, Java development tools, and yeah, this is all about it. Thank you. Mm.
Yes. Can I read? Okay. I use the Marathi language.
No, no, no Marathi.
So
Only English.
okay, but the content is I have in Marathi because I prompted in Marathi.
What? What?
Okay, okay,
No, no Marathi. You have to only speak in English.
okay. Uh, bug is the bug is made a mistake by the user uh, during writing the code. It is a mistake of the programmer. The program is working, but the output produce the output is wrongly produced. Sometimes program can run, but the expected output and expected result we can't get or we won't get. So this is the bug, and uh, the bug is uh, the uh, the bug is faulty logic written by the developer. It is a bug. And what is the error in Java? The error in Java is when the programmer compile or run the program, and the which problem is occurs, uh, that is the error. And uh, oh no. Okay, the programmer can fix the errors, like syntax errors and whatever the stressor told us. In Java, error like out of memory error, stack overflow error, virtual machine error, and the difference between error and bug is the mistake is made by the programmer. It is known as bug, and the problem is okay.
Aditya sir, is there any
That's
bug?
why.
Very big
Yes,
bug.
yes.
So I got one question. Uh, for Aditya sir.
Okay, okay. I want to.
It was right. I'm cooked. I'm cooked. Really,
Okay,
I'm.
so that's why I prefer the Marathi language to get the context, to understand the context, and
We understand.
after
We
this
understood you. Actually, we understood you. Whatever we.
uh,
So can anyone tell me, is main method overloading is allowed in Java or not?
Vishal sir, are we going to tell? Can we overload the main method? Java. Why no? If no, why no? If yes, why yes?
And yes.
No, he didn't mention my name specifically. Okay, I'm
What is
what? Method
Okay.
overloading or overloading method?
Hello, Vishal sir. I want to give my opinion on this question. The main method overloading is can't achieve in Java because the main method is unique and entry point of the Java program, and it should be public static and void.
Whether we can overload or not overload? Yes or no?
this is
No,
the question?
no,
No, so why no?
because the main method is entry point of the Java program, and it should be public static and void. So it is a unique method uh, where uh, where Java code starts the executing. So the main method is can't be overloaded in Java.
According to me, the main method can be overloaded multiple times.
Oh,
The main method itself has its own parameter and different body. We can use our methods and we can also create main method.
Yes,
Overloading, yes, overloading the main method is allowed in Java.
yes, you are right.
okay.
Again, I got one question for Aditya sir. Can you tell me what is constructor?
Okay, constructor in a Java. It is a constructor in a Java. It is a okay. I don't know about it.
Okay, Vishal sir, would you try for it? Okay, so can you tell me what is Java? What is Java? Hmm. Yes. Java is Java and it is web and and mobile and
Okay, you are telling us mobile application. So what technology in Java is used to develop the mobile Flutter applications?
yes.
It starts from initial K.
Disscus.
Yes, you are telling no Android application. Okay, we got the answer from Povin sir.
Still, he is asking what is question.
So I asked that what is the technology in Java used to develop the mobile applications? Kotlin. Kotlin, I said Kotlin. I am answering.
Yes.
Kotlin.
Okay. So, Praveen, yeah, go ahead, go ahead.
Okay, constructor. Okay, I'm looking in my book and I read
No,
the
no,
notes.
no. Don't look.
No.
First, we have to gather all the suggestions from our side. Then, if any doubt, we will look and search.
Uh,
an object of class create
Go ahead, go ahead.
at automatic data is a code and
Vishal, can you tell me what is class?
Uh, first,
Why?
fir-
this
first complete this question. After jump to the next question.
Okay, okay.
Okay, the constructor in Java, the constructor is good is as good as a method. The constructor uh, need not to create the object of the class. Uh, the constructor initialize the
Which book are you preferring for this?
no, right now I'm not preferring the book.
Okay.
After this, I will prefer the book. The constructor is initialize all the class instance, class variables and all, and it it need not to create the object. It it will present by default in our class, and that's all.
According to me, a constructor is a special block of code which is very similar to the method that we can the syntax of the method and constructor is exactly same, and the constructor gets automatically created when we create the object of any class. There are different types of constructors such as default constructor, which is automatically invoked after the object creation. The next type is parameterized constructor, the constructor which contains the parameter as the arguments. The next is copy constructor, when we have a new constructor copying the features of any other constructor. And there is one more constructor that is a non-parameterized constructor, which does not have any parameters. Which is used only to instantiate the class objects. So we have then many concepts such as constructor overloading. That's all. Okay, you can read from the book now. We let's
Okay,
all listen
uh,
carefully to it.
class.
constructor as well as good as method. They have the same name uh, as that of the class name. Constructor don't have any return type. The constructor are called have implicitly at the time of the creation of object. Hence, mostly they are used to assign value to a set of instance variable. The constructor can't the call explicitly. We are show constructor in memory diagram. We can use this keyword inside the body of the constructor. Uh, that is.
All
Do you
right.
know what is the keyword that we use to instantiate the constructor or to instantiate the object in the constructor? Various entities.
This keyword.
Hmm. Is the this keyword mentioned in that book?
Yes, it is mentioned. We can use this keyword inside the body of constructor.
Okay.
So, can we write null inside the println method?
What can we write?
Public static void main is method. Okay, so in that, can we write null?
In arguments,
Yes.
I think we can
No,
write.
no, 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 no. Not public static void main. System dot out dot println.
When we write null, it will show nothing.
Okay,
It
the
will
answer
show
of this
nothing.
question is we can write null inside the SOP LM.
Can we? Okay, so its answer is we can't write null inside it. It is ambiguous in Java. It will show compile time error.
Only null values.
No, no, no. Null word. Null word.
Null keyword.
Okay, means
Null
only the null keyword isn't
yeah.
accessible.
Yes, we can't write it.
Ambiguous behavior.
So I got one question again. Is Java 100% platform independence? If yes, so why? If no, so why?
Not 100% platform independence because we have some operating systems which are very complex to use. For example, the operating systems used in old age, we can't perform Java operations or run Java programs on that platform, according to me.
Means means what?
Means in old age or in various other operating systems, we can't compile the source code into bytecode.
Mm-hmm.
So Java can't be 100% platform independent. This much is that I think.
So according to me, Java is not platform independence because it implements integer and data types. Data types means no, 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 object oriented. So a data type are in the form of primitive and non-primitive. So primitive data types are should not be supported. 100% object oriented means it should be like integer and all float. All primitive data types should be um, objects in Java, but they are not. So Java, we can say Java is not 100% object oriented. 100% object oriented means 100% object.
Okay, so
Everything is object.
okay, but in the features of Java, it is mentioned the Java is platform independent. So how?
Object oriented and platform
I
independent, it is
also
different.
I also searched that thing on Google. It is saying yes, Java is 100% platform independent.
Not don't search it on Google. Search it on somewhere ChatGPT or somewhere. Some people claim that it is 100%. Some people claims that it is not 100%.
It is a topic of
I
controversy,
think
Yeah, it is. We
I
can
think
say
controversial topic.
discussion, controversial topic. But the answer I gave in interviews, professor told us that give answer in two ways. Uh, Firstly, say there this topic is controversial. If like Java is platform independent and as well as not. Uh, no, 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 100% object oriented and 100% not because uh, data types are not object, so it is not 100% object oriented. And some people say yes, so I don't know why they say yes, because everything is not object.
When I searched it on ChatGPT, it says that Java is not 100% platform independent because each OS has its own and independent JVM implementation. And for example, Windows JVM is not equal to Linux JVM. And the second point is native code usage using JNI, which is Java Native Interface. There are
Hmm.
libraries starting from extension .dll or .so, which cannot be platform independent.
No, no, no,
Okay,
Shrey
but
sir. It's very easiest answer is no. Java is not platform independent because
Wait,
it
wait, wait.
doesn't
Vishal sir,
support.
please turn off your mic.
Yes.
Okay, now speak.
Simplest answer is Java is not 100% platform independent because it doesn't support primitive data types as objects. So this is all about it. This
Okay,
is like
okay.
enough for it.
okay, but in our interview, we should answer like this. So Java is not platform independent.
No,
Or
no, we should not answer it like that.
what is the
We should
answer
answer
in
it like
interview?
that. It is yes and no as well. Both yes and no. Some people says that. Some people says that. Whatever you want, you take it like that.
All the primitive
Okay,
data types are not
so
objects in Java.
Yeah.
It is platform independent, but not. Yes, yes. So I got one question. For Pavin or from Pavin? From
From Povin.
Pavin. Praveen, what is sliding window?
Sliding window is technique in data structures which is used to calculate two. It is best case better than two pointer approach, and its time complexity is O of n, and in which we slide the window number of element we take, and we add or whatever question we get, eventually we slide the window, find the answer, and we don't actually use it brute force approach. So it is efficient approach for array kind of problems.
okay, the one thing is missing is the sliding window. It is a concept of to work on the subarray of a array of an array
Yes, yes, yes.
to perform the
Sorry.
operations and calculate the to perform the operations on subarray of an array. So where we reduce the time complexity, uh, expect the brute force approach. We prefer sliding window, uh, where we first write the for loop, and perform the operation on first window and get the output, and using that value or output we perform the operations with the next window, like add add a extra element of the window, and then we remove the first element of that window. So
Okay, that is
we
great.
reduce
You
the
explained.
iterations, and in a second for loop we work on value and perform the operation.
So previously we talked about Java is not 100% platform in uh,
Yeah.
object oriented, but we just talked about Java is not 100% platform in object oriented. Okay.
Praveen sir,
So
are you confused? And I am also,
no, 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 no,
because
no. I'm feeling sleepy, so because of that I'm
okay, okay. So
speaking like that.
after a few minutes, we will wrap
No,
up
no, no.
if
Listen,
the
listen.
stress.
So we just talked about why Java is not object 100% object oriented, and right
Okay,
now we are talking about why Java is object oriented. So
okay, okay. But
except primitive data types, everything is object. Inheritance, polymorphism, encapsulation, and abstraction and objects and classes are supported in Java. So We can answer it like that. Some people says that Java is fully object oriented, and because of except non-premeditated wraps, so it is not 100% object oriented like that.
Okay. And previously, I think we discussed on the platform independent topic.
Yeah.
Okay.
The answer I gave was right, I think. The ChatGPT said there are native extensions for Java in Linux operating systems such as .dll and .so, which are not independent for any of the operating systems.
Yes, it was right.
Okay. This one
We
should be
got about
considered.
a new concept.
Vishal sir, have you any question to ask anyone?
So, what is compile time polymorphism? And is there any question like compile time polymorphism or runtime polymorphism?
Yes, there are two types of polymorphism: compile
So,
time and
can
runtime.
before Shreyas, can anyone give answer of it?
Okay. I know. In Java, there are two types of polymorphism. We can achieve it through the method overloading and method overriding. Method overloading is a method overriding is a compile time polymer. Okay, I don't know about it. I will hand over it to Mr. CS sir. Okay, I
Is that
confused
sir?
which one is.
Well, try.
Compile time polymorphism is method overloading, and runtime is method overriding. You are right. You were right.
Okay.
Can you explain a bit? I'm having problem to remember it every time.
Actually, the
Me
method
too, because
overloading
it is confusing.
method
Yes.
loading is basically the method with same name, but we have the different parameters which we used to in compile time polymorphism, and in runtime polymorphism, everything the parameters and the method name is same, but the inside body of the method is different. This is
Okay.
called a method overriding.
Yes, sir, are you explained very well? I can uh, store in my main memory. So I have one question is, uh, I think you are
Wait
talk
a
about
minute.
the
You said
overloading
that
and
you can
overriding.
store in main memory. Is there any secondary memory also?
Yes, yes,
No, he
yes.
have temporary memory.
Temporary memory. Okay.
Eventually,
uh,
these things are gonna delete.
okay. In flow communication, I
Okay,
said that.
okay. You are
So
asking me some question.
yes, I have a question is, I think I don't know about it. So are you explaining the method overloading and overriding? I'm right. Then what is the compile time polymorphism and what is the runtime polymorphism? Because
Compile time
uh,
polymorphism is method overloading.
yes, I hear from multiple friends, but no one can tell what is the
The
polymorphism, compile time and runtime.
compile
Just
time polymorphism
everyone
is a
said,
type of polymorphism which achieved when the compiler starts to execute the process. And
uh,
runtime polymorphism is achieved when past of the compilation done.
Okay, so can you tell
okay,
me when compile time polymorphism happens and runtime polymorphism happens?
Compile time polymorphism happens during the execution of program, and runtime polymorphism is achieved after the execution of program.
I see.
okay. Now I get the
You know what
explanation.
the most funny answer for it? Compile time polymorphism happens at compile time. Runtime polymorphism happens at runtime. Okay, I will remember it. Before execution, compile time polymorphism happens, and after execution, runtime polymorphism happens. Am I right?
Yes, yes. Wait a minute, I will
I
search
think,
again.
Sir, please you repeat this concept.
Okay, compile time polymorphism resolves function calls during compilation using techniques such as method overloading, same name but different parameters for speed and less flexibility. And while the runtime polymorphism is dynamic, resolves call execution execution by method overriding. It is used for inheritance for greater flexibility, but the performance is slightly slower because it is determined by the actual object type.
I understood
Basically,
nothing.
the compile time polymorphism is static, and runtime polymorphism is dynamic. So that is what I tell. Na
What does it mean? Static and dynamic.
static means inside the scope it has a fixed value, and dynamic means it can be vary according to our need.
Means what?
The method or loading is the
Are those
vary
parameters are
according.
gonna expand?
Means I will give you a simple example. Suppose you have a mango tree. Sorry, you have a mango go down. We You have collected all the mangoes in one specific place. So you are aware that how many mangoes are there, right?
Yes.
So the count is known to you. How many mangoes are there?
Mm-hmm.
This is called a static. Means they are not gonna change. It is a fixed size. But when we take the example of the tree, before cultivating the mangoes, are you have idea that on this tree how many mangoes are going to ripe?
Yes, I understood that static meaning of static and meaning of dynamic, but how can you connect this with this topic?
That is that no, static means fixed size and variable means it can be
No, no,
changed.
no.
That
What
is
is
the only
reason
concept.
behind it? What is reason behind it? Like, why did you use static and dynamic? Are there gonna anything parameters are gonna statically like dynamically increase or what? Like, why did you use that?
Okay, for the one more example, when we write a code according to the test cases, right?
Okay.
If we have three test cases, we check the all the three test cases and run the code, right?
Yes.
This is the compile time execution. We only compile according to the our needs, the basic three tests.
Mm-hmm.
But after execution, there are 20 or 30 more test cases which are hidden, right?
Yes.
So the it get dynamically changed whether you solved lead code or not. Any problem from lead code.
Yes, I've solved.
So
Yes.
there are initially 3 to 2 test cases, firstly, and then when you submit any question, there are 128, 130 test cases.
Yes.
Just keep in mind that static is a fixed size and dynamic is a variable size. That's enough.
Okay. 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 I'll keep it in mind. So, let me explain it. Compile time polymorphism means method with same parameters and
It is a type of method overloading. You are directly connecting that method overloading syntax to compile time.
okay.
You have to first tell that method overloading is a technique in compile time polymorphism, which is one and only technique.
I need to look into it. Next time we'll talk on it. Absolutely.
Okay, I will tell you again. Compile time polymorphism is a static type of polymorphism which resolves function during compilation of the program, which includes the techniques like method overloading. Method overloading means same name but different parameters. It is it is beneficial for speed and flexibility. While we talk about the runtime polymorphism, it is a dynamic polymorphism which resolves calls during the execution. And the technique used is method overriding, means same name, same parameters, but the function has different body. Means the body inside the curly braces is a variable. So it is used for greater flexibility, but the performance is slower. Compile time, there are also two types in sorry, the compile time is early binding and the runtime is late binding. I don't know about the binding stuff. Huh? हे मी गुगलचं होत सांगाल रे. वेगवेगळं आहे रे, काय काय येते मला तर पोटलेच सगळं वेगळं आहे.
So friends, okay.
What we shall, sir?
Yeah, stop.
So the overall,
Yes or no?
so we are going to stop, but at one point that Vishal sir have to tell overall summary of this interview. What we started and what we are ending on.
Yes.
Start with introduction first, and then
End with
Praveen asked
conclusion.
question,
Start with
said,
introduction, end with conclusion.
but Aditya, he was late, joined to many people, and 100% of the student language or not, and that question is what is overriding? I don't know what is question.
Okay, still you are trying
That
to.
is
That is great.
summary of the today's meeting.
So uh, I want I want feedback on my introduction from all of you. What my last intro and
Last intro. Why it is your
Yes.
last intro?
Oh, Vishal.
It was his
no,
last interview.
no,
Like
not
previous.
You are not gonna introduce you again.
no,
He will
no, no,
directly
no.
point the gun
Just
toward
I want
interviewer and ask, "It is my last interview. Will you join me or not?"
And what I said, next interview, what
no, no, no. I think you got the wrong you, you got the wrong message. Uh,
No. We
my
understood.
question is
We understood everything. So yeah, understood. So let's start from Shreyas. Like, do you have any suggestions for Aditya sir?
I have one suggestion that the concept of Aditya is very clear, but he fluctuate and lag to represent that, so that the person in front of you got confused and not know about the concept you are talking about. There is some misconception because of your expressing way, the way you express. So you have to improve that and tell all the concept in a proper specific flow. That is my suggestion.
Okay, thank you, sir. I appreciate it. Um, After this, I'm trying to talking without any pauses and lags. Uh, if I forgot to tell something, then it's fine. But after this, I'm talking within flow.
Praveen, so what is your thing and what is your
Oh, so feedback for you. My roommate is laughing toward Vishal. All right, so feedback for you, Vishal. Um, I would say you are improving a lot, and still you don't know the things, but you are trying. You are hardworking, and Shreyas got disconnected. He got bored, I think. So it is great you are doing, but still you are making mistakes in variables and how many types of data types are there. So still you know very well, but you are not able to express thoughts. So you need to work on it actually.
okay? Thank you. What is your thing?
Uh, okay, my my feedback is I think we we both remember the concepts and memorize the answers of the some interview questions because there is a moment we are meeting again and again and repeating the same question until this moment we are not able to answer it well. So
How ridiculous it is.
yeah, yes. So we should prepare those questions which are we're not able to answer in our previous mocks and this mock. So this opinion mine
Listen,
for
Giri
you
sir.
and me.
Giri sir, listen.
Hello, Shrey sir. So, uh, you definitely asked for a conversation. What is operator
Ah, that is what I am telling.
and what is data type? Uh, can ask me next session or with two questions. Definitely.
I expect a perfect answer from you.
Okay,
That
okay.
by that listening from that only one question you should be get high marks.
Okay,
I tried my best next time.
All the best.
all the best.
Thank you.
And hello, Praveen sir.
Very
I want to
Yes.
know. I want to know. I want to know your feedback for me. Uh, what
Mhm.
is the difference in my last introduction and this introduction?
Okay, so you changed it slightly better, but still it is boring, I would say,
Okay.
because you are adding lots of things into it. Interviewer is interested into uh, whatever he want from you, not like everything what you did or what. It just need those things, and I don't like say that you did great. I don't admire because this is not into my
Ah, yes,
dictionary
yes, yes, yes,
actually.
yes, yes. But uh, so I am very curious to know the from both of you, Shreyas sir and Praveen sir, to the know the point of which point should be added in our introduction. So, um, After next time, I will carry forward with those point only. I'm trying to.
Aditya sir, our good taste sir have gave us 7 points to include into it, and a rest of points we can add, but like not all those 7 points. This would be get very lengthy, and you speak slowly. So I would suggest that speak fast as you can. Like just do it like rote learning. Um, रट्टा मारना directly रट्टा मारल्यावानी करायचं आणि
Okay,
हा
Aditya
प्रश्न
sir,
फारच पाठ करून टाकायचा.
hello.
म्हणजे कसं
Aditya
फास्ट
sir,
बोलता येईल तुला.
okay,
I suggest something.
please.
You read a book or अरे मोठ्या आवाजाने मोठ्या आवाजामध्ये वाचले.
Loudly,
Loudly.
loudly.
Read loudly.
You read
You should
books.
read a book loudly. Okay,
Yes.
All right. So everyone talked about everyone, but anyone would everyone give me suggestions to do what? What like what? What should I do? Give me proper suggestions.
I think Praveen, you are a very cooperative person.
अरे भाई.
The job
So
is ready for Praveen.
you can apply now.
Praveen sir is not ready for job.
अरे
Job is ready for
भाई.
Praveen sir.
And both of you raise
Why
funds
should a company hire Praveen sir?
He is intellectual guy.
What are the expectations of Praveen sir from that company?
I need a bed for sleep, and I need a gym, personal gym, and I need 100 acres of farm where I will do jogging, and
And I
I
and you
need
also
one
need a personal
computer.
secretary.
Yes,
personal secretary.
yes, and that should be, what that should be.
yes, it is.
Did you?
Yes, it is possible.
No. Did you
You
switch off the
you are
recording?
work.
Did you switch off the recording?
Okay. Wait a minute.
These things should not be recorded into it.
This should be kept
Okay, okay.
confidential.
And
Yes,
Ravi sir,
it is so much
hello.
confidential.
Yes,
Yes.
I think